Marketing funnel leads. From your dashboard, go across to marketing funnels and click into a funnel. Now, to find the leads that have signed up for your funnel, all you need to do is hit the leads tab here. As soon as you do this, you will be taken into the people all, which you can also find via site and then people. However, by doing it through the marketing funnel, you can actually filter your leads. Let's do this again, and you'll notice that an automatic filter has been placed onto this funnel saying marketing funnels. You'll see that inside of here, these are all leads for your funnel, and there's 10 of them in here. You can see there's 10, and you can see inside of the funnel itself, you'll see that there are 10 leads. So Zenler has opened it up as a new tab under Site People so that you can see the leads, and it has applied the filter to it to filter out only the leads for this particular funnel. This is how Zenler filters the leads in Site People and then leads within Zenler. Please note that you can close this tab down and you still go back to your original funnel, meaning you do not leave this page, which is handy. Once again, click leads and you get your filtered leads for that particular funnel.